Alright, you little chupacabras. I had a few kids asking about how to do an assignment on Canvas, so I'm gonna make this quick. It's not gonna be perfect, but I think it'll be what you need to get by, and we'll Zoom as a class if we need to tomorrow. So this is my Canvas page, my teacher page. So I'm gonna go over here and I'm gonna click on Student View, because then it's gonna show up like it will for you guys. So we're on our home page here for physical science. Yesterday we did our Zoom meeting. You guys can look at the textbook. You can listen to it. There's the PowerPoint notes, and I'm guessing the PDF notes worked better for most of you. A couple quick lecture videos, and then your quiz. I've seen a lot of you guys have already done your quiz. Remember, you get 3 tries on all those. But this hot and cold lab activity is very, very basic, but I just wanted to see how we do with it before we add any more stuff. So, if you're on your Canvas page and you go and you click on this hot or cold lab activity, it's going to come up and it's going to give you this page right here, and what we want to do is we want to go click on this activity sheet, and it's going to ask us if we want to make a copy, which is good because each of you need to make your own version of this assignment. So we are going to follow the directions. We are going to say yes, make a copy, and then this next part is going to be very important because it's going to make your and my life both easier. It's going to pull up our lab sheet here, and what I would do if I were you first is I'd go up and I'd retitle it, and I'd make it hot or cold lab activity, and in parentheses I'd go put my name is Jake Smirchna, and then you can come down here on the sheet as well and you can go through and do that. Now this one yesterday was very, very basic. I just wanted to see if we could get the hang of it, but I think there's only one lab question. So down here you do some little temperature things, which is what this chapter is all about, and you write blah blah blah. Here is my answer. And technically now this has saved to your Google Drive, and you'll want to pay attention to what you call it. So what you'll end up doing then is going back to Canvas after you're done on your Google Sheet. You'll go back to Canvas and you'll go down and you'll click Submit Assignment. And what's going to happen here, this isn't going to be perfect because mine's a teacher page, but you'll come down here to where it says Submit, and we don't want to do a file upload. What you'll do is you'll go to your Google Drive, and what you'll go type in is this exact name up here. You could just go type in hot or cold, and what'll happen is that document will come up, you'll click it and you'll press submit, and then on my teacher page it'll show that you've submitted that. So the first one I only made worth 2 points because it's not a big deal. There's just one question. If we need to go through this again tomorrow, we can, but again, what you'll do is you'll click on the link, you'll make a copy of the sheet and make it yours, and then when you come back onto here, you'll press that Submit Assignment button, and this will pop up, and you're going to link it through your Google Drive. I'll email this to you, and I'll put it on Canvas, but we can talk more tomorrow. This at least should help get you started in the right direction. Good luck, and keep up the great work on those quizzes, guys.